Hey everybody, it's JJ with Matt's Kayaking Adventures and JJ's Drones.
And we are sitting around the living room. We have all the appropriate personnel here. We are all ready for the MR340, which is starting in 2 days now. We head to Kansas City first thing in the morning. We have everything all packed, ready to go. We're going to have a fun trip.
But most importantly, we're going to remember to shut up and paddle.
Any words of wisdom?
The cat is not going with us, by the way.
He's going with
We need a
us
mascot.
next year he's going with us. Wait, is he in there? Oh, there
Smile
he
for the
is.
camera. So I guess the kitty cat's staying home.
He's coming next year.
But next year he's coming?
Yes, he's coming next year.
He's coming next year.
Such an awful video. Stop it, end it, delete it,